Lately, I've been thinking that adding sounds to our puzzle platformer game, King and Queen, would make it look polished. From this to this. So, here's what I've been doing for the past week. Alright, first things first, without knowing anything about sounds in Godot, like how to play a sound or how to beep and boop, this and that, I've searched on YouTube for different tutorials.
I want to add a sound effect when the player jumps.
Feeling confident, I've made this project. And after a couple of tries here and there, King's jumping sound is now working. Although, not so much for the footsteps. Continuing the work from yesterday, after watching this tutorial, I've realized that making footstep sounds using the events in animated sprite 2D is much harder than a simple calling function in the animation player. Needless to say, Godot forced me to remake the entire animation from scratch. So, I've remade the whole animation of my characters. And to work with the new animation, I edited the sprites of my king. And day 2 ended with my king now playing the animations and sounds correctly.
GMTK Game Jam 2024.
If you join the jam, there's 99% chance we are making a game at the same time. The only difference is that we're having fun while I'm here struggling with making the animations for my queen. But after an hour of adding the sounds and editing the sprites, presenting to you our new queen. Starting the day with this problem, so I wanted to play a sound when this text pops up and have a sort of delay like 3 to 5 seconds before going to the next level. The problem is, I don't know how to make a delay in Godot. In Unity, it should be something like this one, enumerator and a coroutine. So I searched on YouTube and found this. Thank you, my good sir. Early in the morning, I've made the touch controls for the game, starting from making a badly made pixel arts, then adding the input maps, editing the code, playtesting the game, see if it works. And in this afternoon, I've downloaded these sprites from Kenny, and also updated these badly made pixel arts. Well, this time around, I mixed the female and male voices in Audacity. Oddly enough, it's my first time mixing sounds. Aside from that, I've also worked on the sound when a character falls off the script. And yeah, this is the result of it. Last day of the week and polishing is the agenda of the day. First off, changing the background color when player switches a character. King to blue and queen to pink. I first thought about changing the camera's color to script like I did in Unity before, but I can't seem to replicate it in Godot, so I just added a sprite that switches color. And after that is updating the sprites for the touch controls when the player presses them. And here's the current state of the game.
Congratulations!
And that is it. This is a King and Queen devlog where I remake this puzzle platformer game from Unity to Godot. And thanks for all the people who subscribed before. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like, comment, subscribe for more devlogs like this one. Or if you like to support the game's development, here's the coffee page. And as always, thanks for watching. See ya!